Hi, Chris.
Hi.
What
Mommy.
toy do we have?
We have Play-doh mystery swing.
Oh, Animal World. Look at the colors.
Look at all these things and these. And these.
How cool. Let's open it.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm going to open it because I know how to.
Okay, open it. Okay, we're gonna open it first. You need help?
Got
Wow.
I'm going to put it in the fish.
Animal World.
Yeah, because I'm going to play with it. Let's open it.
Whoa, we opened it.
But we
Play-doh
didn't.
with all of these things on
But
it.
we didn't open all these.
Yeah, we have to open it.
Yeah. Let's open the ducky.
Boo Bear, what color is that?
Blue.
Blue. Good job.
Blue.
What color is that?
White.
White. Okay. What color?
Purple.
Mm-hmm. That one?
Green.
Good job. What color?
Red.
Red. And the last color?
Yellow.
Yellow.
Look at all these things.
Whoa.
I want to eat them all. Nom, 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 nom.
Okay, let's start making these.
Yeah.
So we took everything out of the bag.
Mom,
Look at all these little things.
Mommy, I'm going to build a tower for you.
We can make a little crab
Mommy,
or lobster,
hamster.
an elephant, a teddy bear, a rhino. So many to make. Which one are you gonna make first?
Wait.
You wanna do lobster?
Yeah, wait.
Okay, let's do the lobster. Let's make the little lobster first.
Yeah.
Here it is.
It is.
And we have to use the red Play-Doh.
Mommy, I don't know how to take it off.
Okay, I'll open it for you.
I will. No.
Okay, we open the red
Mommy,
Play-Doh.
we didn't have white like this.
You have the white Play-Doh?
Yeah.
Cool.
But we don't have white like this, Mommy.
Red. Here, love bug. Let's make the lobster. So we just put the Play-Doh in the lobster.
Let's take it off.
Yeah, let's take it off. Softly. Put it here. Let's see. There's the lobster.
Mommy, I want to make the monster.
Good job. So the
Mommy, we
lobster
need
is
white
done.
in him.
Now we need to make the stripes and the eyeballs.
Yeah.
Right?
But we don't have black, Mommy.
We have to make our own colors, right, Chris? Mm-hmm. We need 3 stripes.
Yeah.
There's the stripes, and you're making the eyeballs?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I don't see black anymore.
Okay, here's the lobster. Now we have to make the eyes. To make the brown or black color, you have to mix green with red. Let's mix it.
Mommy, I'm going
Mixing it made the color brown. Yay!
you was
The lobster is finished. Hey,
Yeah.
lobster.
Hey, lobster.
Now we made a little puppy. Now we're making the rhino.
Making this one.
Flatten out the Play-Doh.
Mommy, look.
we could fit the rhino. Here's the rhino. Okay. Let's put it back down. Okay, now look. Let's stamp it. There's the rhino. Stamp really hard. Stamp really hard. Good job. Okay, now let's take this off, and you have a rhino.
There's my one, you know.
Here's the ones we've already made.
Yeah.
This is making an
Alligator.
alligator.
Yeah, white alligator.
Then
It's
I'm gonna
a
make a
white
swan.
alligator.
Let me
Look.
see. What is that?
Alligator.
There's this one.
Mommy, look. Mommy, look.
There's
Mommy, look at this.
the
And we're trying.
alligator.
I'm taking.
Here's the swan. So after all of that, we made a lobster, a rhino, a swan, giraffe.
And my doggy.
What is that?
Rhino.
An elephant and a rhino.
There are 2 rhinos.
Good job, Chris.